Martin. I am from India, and in this video I will bring to you some key facts about my country. India is a country full of wonders with glorious history, rich culture, diverse population and languages, beautiful landscape, and modern infrastructure. The information is presented in a question and answer format. So, let's start. What is the official name of India? The official name of India is Republic of India. When did India gain its independence? India gained its independence on 15th August 1947 from the British. Every year, 15th of August is celebrated as Independence Day. How many states and union territories are there in India? There are 20 states and 8 union territories in India. Which is the capital city of India? The capital city of India is New Delhi. What is the national flag of India known as? The national flag of India is known as Tiranga. It has 3 colors: deep saffron at the top, white in the middle, and India green at the bottom. In the center, there is a navy blue wheel with 24 spokes known as Ashoka Chakra. What is the national anthem of India? The national anthem of India is Jana Gana Mana. It was written and composed by Kavi Guru Rabindranath Tagore in 1911. What is the national song of India? The national song of India is Vande Mataram. It was written by Sri Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1875. What is the national emblem of India? The national emblem of India is State Emblem of India, which is an adaptation of Lion Capital of Ashoka statue located at Sarnath. What is the national motto of India? The national motto of India is Satyameva Jayate, which means truth alone triumphs. Who was the first president of independent India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of independent India. Who was the first prime minister of independent India? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first prime minister of independent India. Who is known as the father of the nation? Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. Which are the national days of India? The national days of India are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. What is the national currency of India? The national currency of India is Indian rupee. What is the national animal of India? The national animal of India is the Bengal tiger. What is the national heritage animal of India? The national heritage animal of India is the Indian elephant. What is the national aquatic animal of India? The national aquatic animal of India is the South Asian river dolphin. What is the national reptile of India? The national reptile of India is the king cobra. What is the national bird of India? The national bird of India is the Indian peacock. What is the national flower of India? The national flower of India is the Indian lotus. What is the national tree of India? The national tree of India is the Indian banyan. What is the national river of India? The national river of India is the river Ganges. What is the national fruit of India? The national fruit of India is mango. What is the national vegetable of India? The national vegetable of India is pumpkin. Which is the highest mountain in India? Mount Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain in India. Which is the longest river in India? River Ganges is the longest river in India. Which is the longest road in India? The longest road in India is National Highway 44. Which is the tallest dam in India? The tallest dam in India is Tehri Dam in Uttarakhand. Which is the longest railway station in India? The longest railway station in India is Gorakhpur railway station in Uttar Pradesh. Which is the biggest airport in India? Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi is the biggest airport in India. Which is the largest bus terminus in India? Millennium Park Bus Depot in New Delhi is the largest bus terminus in India. Which is the largest port in India? Mumbai Port in Mumbai is the largest port in India. Which is the biggest library in India? The National Library of India in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. Which is the biggest planetarium in India? Birla Planetarium in Kolkata is the biggest planetarium in India. Which is the biggest post office in India? Mumbai Post Office in Mumbai is the biggest post office in India. Which is the longest bridge in India? Bhupen Hazarika Setu in Assam is the longest bridge in India. Which is the biggest palace in India? Umaid Bhavan Palace in Jodhpur is the biggest palace in India. Which is the biggest zoo in India? Alipur Zoo in Kolkata is the biggest zoo in India. Which is the largest garden in India? Acharya Jagadish Chandra Bose Indian Botanic Garden in West Bengal is the largest garden in India. Which is the biggest stadium in India? Narendra Modi Stadium in Gujarat is the biggest stadium in India. Which is the biggest temple in India? Sri Rangam Temple in Tamil Nadu is the biggest temple in India. Which is the biggest mosque in India? Tajul Masjid in Madhya Pradesh is the biggest mosque in India. which is the biggest church in India. Medak Cathedral in Telangana is the biggest church in India, which is the biggest Gurdwara in India. Harmandir Sahib, also known as Golden Temple in Punjab, is the biggest Gurdwara in India, which is the biggest Buddhist monastery in India. Tawang Monastery in Arunachal Pradesh is the biggest Buddhist monastery in India, which is the highest motorable road in India. Khardungla in Leh is the highest motorable road in India, which is the highest waterfall in India. Kunchkal Falls in Karnataka is the highest waterfall in India, which is the largest lake in India. Vembanad Lake in Kerala is the largest lake in India, which is the largest national park in India. Hemis National Park in Ladakh is the largest national park in India. Which two popular games were invented in India? Chess and snakes and ladders were invented in India. I hope you enjoyed learning about some of the important facts about India. There are other videos in my YouTube channel which you may find enjoyable. I will soon be back with another video.